What's going on, guys? This is Jacoby here at Digital Brandz. I wanted to bring to you another video showing you guys a new innovative feature that we just brought to our company. And I wanted to show it to you. And it makes sense depending on your niche. This particular brand is a modeling company, and they needed a custom portfolio or a photo gallery for their brand. So, a lot of our features are limited to your creativity as a business owner. So this particular brand wanted something custom made because he had different categories for his business. One was a beauty category, intimate category, fashion category, and a birthdays category. And the goal of this business was to show that category or show that collection and then show additional photos in that collection. So we built something custom from scratch for that brand, and I'm going to show you how it works. So ignore the picture size. I just put some placeholder picture size. So it's going to be extremely important. The aesthetics of this will determine what images you upload here. So for instance, I uploaded an image here with the model closer to the top of the picture. And then this picture here was a lot of free space in this image. So the top of the image here, the model shows here. So if you want this to look clean, make sure you're uploading images that are similar as the main photo. So I'm going to show you what this looks like on the front end, then I'm going to show you how to operate it on the back end. So here's a section called Glamour Photos. When I select Glamour Photos, it has a parallax header photo at the top showing the top half of the image that you uploaded, and then you can look in the section and see additional photos that are considered glamour photos, right? So this is the business owner's job to go in and enter these photos. So we want to enter these in for you. This is just an example reference of what it would look like. Now, of course, if you don't want to do this grunt work to enter in the images, you could always reach out to our staff and I'll get you a quote on how much it would cost you for us to actually enter the content in for you. But our goal is to make our theme super easy to use and really functional. So I'm showing you how it looks on the front end. So I'll make this video short. I want to show you how it looks on the back end. All right, so this is how you create a custom photo gallery. Right, this feature will not be available in your theme standard. This will be an upgraded feature. So you would go to online store, you would go to blog posts, right? And then you'll select add blog posts. All right. So you would name the blog post. Let's say if I wanted to name this birthday, this is one of its categories. I make sure it's visible. You don't need anything in the content section. I would grab a picture. All right. I'm just going to try to see if I can grab. Yep. I'm going to grab a picture. So I'm going to grab this image here. All right, I'll grab that image. So that featured image will be the main image that will show up on the site. Now here's a really important part. Don't skip over this part. Standard by default, all your blogs will go to blog. You have to select this blog section here and select albums. Now, don't stop here. You want to scroll down a little bit further where it says template, and then you want to select article and then go to article.album. If you skip this step, it will not work properly. So make sure you select blog and then check albums and then template article.album. All right. So again, this is a custom built template. So now we will go back to the front end of the website because we're done on the back end. We can select and go back and we'll notice that everything is done right. So birthday, intimate, glamour, and then don't worry about the author. If you want to make your name, you can save your name, but the author doesn't really matter. So we're going to go to online store, and then we're going to go to customize because we're back in, and then we want to change what the customers see on the front end. So selecting customize here. All right. The way you want to get to the page is you want to actually press the menu icon, because what happens is the screen gets smaller because we're inside of, we're inside of the theme. So now the screen gets smaller in like tablet mode. So it allows us to press this menu button icon here. Now, to change the navigation menu, I've already went over that in an earlier video. So if you don't know how to do this, please reference back to the navigation menu video to show you how to do this. If you're looking at this and you want to change this and make your navigation menu look closer to this. So we'll select portfolio because that's the page I want to go to. All right. And then we're going to select albums. Actually, hold on. Sorry about that, guys. It's not portfolio. I want to go to blog post. And then we're going to select albums. So I click this drop down here and I went to blog post. Or portfolio. Usually it's portfolio too. Or whatever you named it. So don't get caught up in what this name is. We just named this portfolio, but on the back end is actually blog post. So this is what's showing on the front end. So I would click add a section, then I'll link the album, the birthday album, to this. And now it's linked. But again, as you see, the image has so much empty space at the top, it's not even showing the model. Right? So that'll be your job again as the business owner to size those images. If you want to crop them, you can just crop them from your phone app, or if you have Photoshop, crop the images so they'll show how you want them to show. And then you can add additional images. Right? Boom. So then we add additional images to that album. Right? So again, you would go and organize this. If you, I recommend, if as a business owner, if you're one of those super busy business owners, you're not really hands-on. Again, having a staff member or somebody on your team to do this would be a good idea. Or you could hire our staff to do it, and depending on supply and demand, we'll quote you at that time our availability. So that's a quick video showing you guys our brand new feature that we created. Like I said, it makes a lot of sense if you're looking to highlight a portfolio of images. Right, so birthday section has the parallax, and now the images are there. So as you notice, it doesn't have a button here, right, a call to action button. That's because I didn't add it on that album, but I do have a call to action button at the bottom here. So make sure if you want a call to action button to add it when you're in the back office of your theme. You'll see the instructions. So that concludes this video. Hopefully it was educational. Hopefully it was easy to use, and thank you for being a value customer. Enjoy your day.